Welcome to Naples, Italy, a city where history breathes through every cobblestone street and passion flows as freely as the local wine. I've been fortunate enough to explore this magical place. And let me tell you, there's nowhere quite like it. Picture this. You're walking through the historic centre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where narrow alleyways wind like ancient ribbons between buildings that have stood for centuries. The air is filled with the irresistible aroma of wood-fired pizza. After all, this is where pizza was born. The Margherita pizza, created in 1889 to honour Queen Margherita, first came to life in these very streets. But Naples is so much more than just its famous pizza. The city sits in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, the same volcano that preserved Pompeii in time. This proximity to danger has shaped the Neapolitan spirit, a remarkable blend of joy and resilience that you'll notice in every local you meet. As you explore, you'll discover the incredible underground Naples, a maze of tunnels and chambers that lies 40 metres below the bustling streets. These ancient passages tell stories of Roman aqueducts, air raid shelters from World War II, and even ancient Greek burial sites. The city's art scene will take your breath away. The Cappella San Severo houses the remarkable veiled Christ statue, so realistic that the marble appears translucent. And don't get me started on the National Archaeological Museum, home to countless treasures from Pompeii and Herculaneum. But what truly makes Naples special is its people. The Neapolitans live life with an infectious enthusiasm that's hard to resist. Whether you're watching elderly neighbours chat from their balconies, witnessing passionate gestures during animated conversations, or experiencing the ritual of evening passeggiata, the traditional evening stroll, you'll feel the city's heartbeat. And then there's the food scene. Beyond pizza, the coffee culture here is a religion. Sipping a perfectly crafted espresso while standing at a bar is a daily ceremony. The seafood pulled fresh from the Mediterranean, the handmade pasta, the sfogliatella pastries that shatter into 1,000 delicate layers. Each bite tells a story of tradition and love. As the sun sets over the Bay of Naples, casting golden light across the city's weathered facades, you'll understand why writers, artists, travellers have been falling in love with this city for centuries. Naples isn't just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. This is Naples, chaotic, beautiful, authentic, and absolutely unforgettable.